Hello there, YouTube RC enthusiasts. I bought a toy. It really upset the wife, but you're only here once. It came in a rather large box. So, let's get into it. Got the old trusty Leatherman. So I bought it's the Losi, I don't know, one or the other. Gravedigger, I think it's 8 scale, monster truck. I used to race radio control cars when I was a nipper, and never had a monster truck. Made a monster truck for a model shop I used to work at, but never had my own. So I got it from Opti Model Sport. Bought from there before. I've actually been in the shop. It's a really nice shop, and I got a bundle with all the stuff ready to go. So let's see what I've got. So I have charger for charging the LiPo battery. These pocky things. LiPo battery sack in case it decides to let the smoke out. And I'm assuming in here it is battery. So battery for the model. Converter wires for the charger. Batteries for the radio. And a link wire for the the balancing leads. And now the main event. I'm sure this is not going to want to come out of this box. I might just get medieval on it. That's probably better. Yeah, there we go. That's probably going to help. Did it? Hey! Okay. So. It's all very, very shiny. Like that. An empty cardboard box, faceless. And now the main event. This thing's massive. It's going to be a right laugh. Nice. Okay. I'll figure out how it all goes together, and we'll get back to it. So I've had a quick mosey at it. There's four body pins to get into it. I like the whole shell coming off. It doesn't actually come off. You take these 2 little pins out here, and there's 2 more pins down here, and they have little rubber tags on, which is nice. Enables you to pull them out a bit easier. And once you've taken those pins out, the whole upper body flips over and stays permanently attached, which is good in some ways and bad in others. But it's only a couple of bolts if you want to take it out. They even put like a little fake fuel tank in. How cool is that? Battery goes in here, and then hefty wires and battery connector, which is apparently it pulls a bit of amps. And then there's a connector for connecting the lights. It has built-in lights, which is amazing. And then you connect that there, and I think you can do it on the remote control. It's hefty. I'm going to say that it is absolutely hefty. Don't think I'm going to destroy this in a short while. And so that's that. And then there's another box. Obviously, I've got my transmitter, I would imagine, in here. Bit of night bedtime reading. Oh, I've got batteries already. They've sent me extra batteries. Oh, well, I've got spare batteries. That's good then. And then there's some different body pins, I think. So if you want to mount your own alternative body. It gives you all the pins to do it, and it looks like I've got some spare output shafts. I think they're output shafts for if you damage the ones that are on. We shall see. And you get a spare strap for holding the battery. And then transmitter. Pew pew pew. I'm not used to these with a wheel. That was fun. I was used to using sticks. That's how old school I go back. They'd only just started bringing these in when I was racing model cars. I'm on a massive nostalgia trip now. What's this thing doing here? Oh, that's just fallen out. Oh, that's good. Good quality. Well done. Sketch. Yeah, so I'll have to figure out what this does, and yeah, we'll see. So the batteries go in the bottom. Just take this little plate off, and then pop the old batteries in, and then I'll probably have to charge the battery up for the truck. I don't think it'll come charged, although lipos usually they come about 2/3 charged. So we'll have to see. And then I'm assuming there's an on button somewhere. Power. Woo! It made noises. Okay, so that looks like it's doing something. Beep boop. So the charger, it's a Sky RC whatever it is model. 65S by the looks of it. You get a mains wire, that's standard. And then that's the actual charger. Quite tidily made actually, it's not bad. Oh, nice clicky button. Nice. So that's the charger, and then the battery is in here. Wrong blade. Okay. Battery in it. And that's the battery. Again, quite nicely made. Got a little balance lead. Do not pull, apparently. Obviously. Right, so I'm going to figure out how this charger is going to work somehow. So we probably need this converter lead, I think. Let's believe that goes in there. Like so. And we'll have to undo this. Little knife out again. Yeah. That's the York on it, needs sharpening. And then the battery connects not to that. And then there's a LiPo extension lead. Balancing lead, and that goes into there. And then into there. And then we need some power, which isn't easy in here because nearly everything's got a plug in it. There is one over there though. I'll move us over there. So here we are at the power. Plug her in. Always use one of these sacks. I'm never going to charge this in the house, but this is purely for demonstration purposes. Slip said battery into said sack, and then close up the jobby. Now I've used one of these sort of chargers before, so I kind of know what I'm doing. Got a little cooling fan on it. Ooh. So we are not 4S, we're 3S. Program, LiPo battery, LiPo balance, 5 amp. It's a 5 amp power battery. And then we're 3S. Pretty sure if you tried to charge it on the wrong setting, it would just go, no. And then go. Oh no. Where's the start? Press and hold. Hey, there we go. Jesus Christ! 3 dibby dibby. Come on. And away she goes. So I could lie and say that the battery is fully charged, but we both, well, all of us know it isn't, because I can't wait. So I put the battery in. I think the best way is just to secure the wires under here. And then I'm guessing we just turn that on. Turn that on. Okay, make some noises. Okay, left and right works. Forward works. Wait, backwards works. Alright. So let's take it outside for a thrash. No, it's not here. Here. What's this? What's that? This? That? Some for you. Don't put it in your bowl. Yeah, but is that nice? Munchy munchy. What is? Come again. What is he? Ooh. Okay, so outside in the real world, there's a local park. I'm going to have a bit of a razz around there, see if I can upset some kids, and then I'll probably go down where they walk the dogs, try and avoid the landmines. But yeah, we'll see how it goes. Mad skills filming and steering at the same time. Not really. Go on, you can do it. You can do it. Oh, never know. It's a lot more difficult than you think. Oh no! Balls.